Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we bring you the most spectacular luxury homes across the United States. Today, we are proud to present a truly one-of-a-kind residence, a magnificent blue mansion that represents elegance, technology, and comfort on every level. This home is more than just a property, it is a lifestyle, a vision of the modern American dream. As we begin the tour, you are immediately struck by the bold blue exterior that sets this mansion apart. The design is both timeless and modern, with oversized windows, landscaped gardens, and a dramatic entrance that announces this home as something extraordinary. From the very first look, the house makes a statement of beauty, sophistication, and power. Step inside and you are welcomed into the grand living room, a breathtaking space with soaring ceilings, gleaming marble floors, and a dramatic chandelier. Natural light floods in through massive glass walls, offering a panoramic view of the surrounding grounds. This room is designed for both grand receptions and intimate family gatherings, blending warmth with luxury in perfect balance. From there, we enter the TV lounge, a comfortable and modern retreat where technology meets relaxation. A large LED screen, cozy sofas, and elegant blue accents make it the ideal space for enjoying family movie nights or watching the big game with friends. Next, we visit the open-concept kitchen, the true heart of this home. Outfitted with professional-grade appliances, gleaming marble countertops, and a large center island, this kitchen is built for both daily family meals and high-end entertaining. Blue cabinetry ties the design together, giving the space personality and charm. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area, with a massive table and an incredible chandelier, making it a perfect setting for unforgettable dinners. The master suite is nothing short of spectacular. Designed as a private retreat, it features a king-size bed, a cozy fireplace, and a private balcony with views over the landscaped grounds. The master bathroom is spa-inspired, with a freestanding tub, rain shower, marble walls, and calming blue accents that create a relaxing atmosphere. Guest bedrooms are equally luxurious, each offering spacious design, modern furniture, and stylish finishes. Every corner of this mansion is crafted to deliver comfort with elegance. No luxury home is complete without a dream walk-in closet, and here you find a boutique-style dressing space with custom cabinetry, soft lighting, and ample storage for the most extensive wardrobe. The garage is another highlight. Designed not just for parking, but for showcasing, it offers polished floors, modern lighting, and enough room for a collection of luxury cars. Blue exterior garage doors add to the mansion's theme, keeping the design seamless and elegant. One of the most exciting features of this home lies below in the basement entertainment level. This area is a private resort with something for everyone. A bowling alley, basketball court, fitness gym, golf simulator, bar lounge, and cinema-style seating. With neon blue decor and cinematic lighting, this space is perfect for both fun and relaxation. For wellness, the indoor swimming pool is a true gem. Surrounded by lounge chairs and set under a glass ceiling, it feels like a luxury spa within your own home. The blue tiled design makes the pool shimmer beautifully, offering year-round enjoyment no matter the weather outside. The final stop on this mansion tour is the outdoor oasis. Step into the backyard and you are transported to a 5-star resort. A saltwater pool with double spas, a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, and expansive seating areas for alfresco dining make this space perfect for entertaining guests. The dramatic dual staircase leading down to the pool adds a touch of grandeur, making the backyard not only functional but also visually stunning. Every element of this mansion has been carefully designed to balance beauty, technology, and comfort. From smart home automation to world-class finishes, from private relaxation to grand entertaining, this home truly represents the modern American dream. This concludes our exclusive tour of this extraordinary blue luxury mansion. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more incredible properties like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, American Dream Mansions, where we showcase the most breathtaking homes across the USA. Your dream home may be the next one we feature.